Sindh Government's Planning and Development Department and Sindh Board of Investment have invited Professor Justin Yifu Lin, an internationally acclaimed economist from Peking University, to give a talk on economic cooperation for industrial development and success stories of Chinese economic zones. Welcoming the guest, Chairman Planning and Development Department Muhammad Wasim informed the ladies and gentlemen in the audience that Professor Lin, who has worked tremendously for the growth of economic zones in China, is reckoned as one of the best economists in the world. Director General Board of Investment Dr. Tanveer Qureshi spoke about SEZs in Sindh, including Khairpur, Korangi and Bin Qasim industrial parks. Renowned entrepreneur Arif Habib noted, while due to CPEC, access to port from many parts of China would reduce by 80%, Pakistan would also get improved infrastructure. He said, power generation, cement, iron, cable industries and real estate businesses were affected positively. He told that other countries were also readily investing in Pakistan now. Secretary Industries and Commerce Department Dr. Rahim Sumro also spoke on the occasion. Professor Justin Yifu Lin attempted to decipher the secret behind the successful economies. Noting that developing countries were agrarian, he told that after World War II there were 200 developing economies, but only few managed to go from low to high income bracket. He said that 13 economies moved from middle income to high income group, including Japan, Korea, Taiwan, Hong Kong and Singapore. He said that till 1979, most of mainland China's exports for agricultural products, then industries were moved from Taiwan, Hong Kong, Singapore and Korea due to low cost of labor. He said China would become a high-income country by 2025. He further warned that any type of government intervention leads to corruption. Professor Lee said that education without development promotes unemployment. Talking to News Pakistan TV, Professor Justin Yifu Lin said that Pakistan presently was in a historical moment.
Pakistan is a developing country, has potential to grow at 8 to 10% growth, and especially to capture the window of opportunity in the global relocation of the manufacturing industries. And things that opportunity arise, and if the government has the determination and to capture the opportunity, working together with global investment community and domestic business communities, I'm sure Pakistan has an opportunity. I think that economic growth will help to reduce the population growth. Just like Malaysia.
Mementos were also presented to the distinguished speaker.